the day of having the insurance company come out and pay for your entire roof have come and gone.
Just to give you some context, back between 2000 and 2003, there were about 230 hail reports each year, but in the last 3 years, there have been an average of 360 hail reports each year. The insurance companies are now losing money in Minnesota. For every $1 they receive in premiums, they are paying out $1.40 in insurance claims. Even if you do see an increase on your next renewal for insurance, they're hoping that those prices will start stabilizing soon.